Hey everyone, this video I am going to show you incoming and outgoing calls not working after Android phone update. Fix it to easy way. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel, then turn on airplane mode. After that, wait a few seconds, then tap on the toggle button again and turn it off the airplane mode. Then restart your phone. To do that, simply press and hold the power and volume down button on your phone at the same time. From the pop-up page open, look for the restart option, click on it, then confirm by tap restart again and automatically restart your phone and wait to back it on. For example, your phone is back it on, open the settings page. After the settings page is open, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the apps option. Once you found them, click on it. After that, you can scroll down or use the search bar at the top. Here, simply type phone app. Once you find the default Samsung phone or your default phone app, simply tap on their name to open the next page. After that, scroll down a little, look for the storage option, click on it. Then tap on clear cache, clear data, confirm it. And don't worry, your saved contact not be delete you. Now return to the previous screen, then scroll down to the very top. Here look for the permission option, open it. And make sure to all of the permission is toggle on, but not be allow photos and videos, music, audio, location, calendar. Into make sure to enable the call log option, contact and account option, notification option, phone option, SMS option if you like. After that, return to your home screen and try to fix it. But however, if your phone or call not working, don't worry. Return to the home screen again, open the settings page, swipe to the back arrow or tap on the back button to return to the main settings menu. Scroll down again, tap on general management. After that, scroll down, tap on reset. Scroll down again, look for the reset mobile network settings option, click on it. Then tap on reset settings button, then verify to enter your current password. After you verify, confirm by tapping the reset button at the very bottom and automatically reset mobile network settings on your phone. But however, your phone not be work the call or incoming and receive, don't panic. Maybe your phone is update available. So open the settings app, scroll down to bottom, tap on software update, then click on check for update or download for update and wait to checking. If you see any update button appear there, simply follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process and update it your phone to the latest version and before it work properly. However, if you follow all of this method but your problem is still doesn't work, don't panic. You can contact the service provider center or carrier contact your network and fix this issue. Thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.